Hey guys, this is gonna be my first vlog ever inside this car that I just got. I'm excited to show you guys what I'm about to experience because I am super nervous about how this is gonna turn out actually. There are people around me in this area next to the river by my house. It's about 20 minutes away and I thought, you know what, if I'm too scared or if I wimp out, it's only 20 minutes away back home, but I'm gonna try my hardest not to leave early and spend the whole night here. I welcome you guys to join me on this very nerve-wracking journey. Oh yeah, did I mention that I'm literally parked on the side of the road? You're just surrounded by the hills that are super green right now. First, let's set up the covers for the windows that I built myself. Oh, there we go. It's already coming apart. Yeah, I used glue and the glue doesn't seem like it's holding. No! Oh well, let's give it a shot. I should go like that. There we go. And then the other one should go on like that. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty decent. Actually looks okay. Could kind of see on the left, but that's not too shabby. The reason why I chose this spot in particular versus a different spot more secluded over there is because I'm right next to the road, which means if I really want, I could just hop back on the road without feeling stuck. I can leave anytime I want. So I folded down my seats and this is the view I got. Ah, dude, that is so amazing. Another beautiful view. This place is a good little newbie starting point so far. So, this is perfect. Perfect. And close this one. Boom. And nobody should be able to see me from anywhere else besides this point. Ugh. Okay. Oh look, forgot. I did bring banana chips from a place called Daiso. Dollar Tree, pretty much, in Japan. I don't know why. I've always been drawn to bananas. Oh yeah, here we go. Munch time. Okay. They didn't add a lot of sugar, yeah. It only says 8 grams of sugar. Normally, what I'm used to is this super sugary sweetness. Maybe I should take off my shoes to get comfy, huh? Instead of dirtying everything inside my car. Hey, it's like my toes are dancing. Right over there. Yeah. Take a look inside and tell me what you see. A bunch of yum-yums. Time is 4:07 and nightfall is 5 o'clock, so about an hour of cooking. Yeah, that seems about right. Let's get that out of the way. Oh yeah, sausages and noodles. I got this breakfast ham and cheese sandwich from Costco. I'm gonna warm up. Hopefully this works out okay because we're a bit slanted at the moment. This stove keeps on sliding around and that's not very safe, is it? So I found these little ridges along the tailgate and it's stopping the stovetop from moving. Do not try this at home, guys. This is for entertainment purposes only and for your viewing pleasure. I've only done this, I think, 2 times so far. This will be my 3rd time, and yeah, let's see what happens. Bring that down, and something about this notch lining up with that notch right over there. So far, it looks okay. Close it. Oh, we have fire! Let's turn up the heat so you guys can see it. Oh yeah, there it is. Get over here, Iron Man. Then you go on top of that. This is so sketchy. Yeah, she's not moving. Is that some oil in there? That was not a good idea actually, because I bought rice. And I love rice. I can't eat anything without rice. Water is ready to go. Let's grab our bag and place you guys down for a sec, so I can have both hands ready to go if something bad happens. And pop her in like so. Oh no, it's melting. You guys can see it melted on the sides, the plastic. Well, that's time. Off the side we go. Rice looks like it came out a-okay. Dump that in here. Oh yeah. A little hard. Cast iron back on. Oh, I love sausages just because they're so easy to make and they're so quick. Just gotta keep an eye on that fire to make sure it's working. Not really sure. Oh, that looks pretty good to me. Sliding. And I know you should not cover this hole right here. That's bad juju. Not you. There you guys are. Oh yeah. Let's get the oils out over there to the other side. Don't want to add any more. Oh yeah. Let's take these sausages. Put them inside my little bowl of rice, pot of rice. All the oiliness added onto this. Alright. Alright, looks like we're good. That is good. Okay, I think I did bring a spoon. I had to be smart enough to bring a spoon. I know it. I brought one of these. A ladle? Ladle? I guess it'll work. My lord. That is so good. Okay, let's add some lights in here because it's getting really dark. I have these lights I got on Amazon. LED bulbs. Let's see. So you plug it in. Plug it in like so. And then what's cool about this, or these, is that they came with a little splitter that connects both of them to one USB port. Or plug, and then, yeah, the switch. Bam. That's one switch. And then the other switch right here. Boom. Lights. Sweet. Another thing that's cool is they have these little hooks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook them up to the handle up here. Turn on that one. Welcome to my crib, which is overlooking the river. Sweet. It's cleanup time. Cleanup time. Ooh, dirty, dirty. Okay, that's as clean as I'm getting that guy. For tomorrow, pop it out. This little tap up. There we go. Done. Cool. Good stuff, butane fuel. Good job, stove. You did some good work not sliding around like you are right now. Cool. Let's get these covers up so no one could see in here. That would be creepy. Don't squish anything down there. I finally got all the window covers up. I really need to come up with a better system for them because I couldn't tell which side was which. One thing I don't like about this car is I gotta open the driver's side and then the passenger side. Other than that, it's not too bad of a trade-off. Whoa, the moon. Yeah, you can see the light bleed from the front windshield, but the sides, pretty decent. Yeah, you can see a little bit of light bleed. The back is looking really, really good. The sound of the river. The door locked on me, what? You know, that would suck if I did not have my keys on me right now. Did it really just... Oh, that would have been a first. Locking myself out of my car. But there we go. Lights, lights, lights. Before I get settled in, let's lock the doors. This is nice. This is nice. Chill mode. Finally found some use for this carabiner that's a giant. Is to hook it onto the handle. So this is pretty much my setup in the Honda Element, and I do plan on doing some stealth camping in the city and next to the ocean side. So far the temperature isn't that bad. It feels like it's in its 40s.
Chapter 30 00 hour August 29, 2522 military calendar. Narrow band point-to-point transmission. Origin unknown. Termination Section 3. Omega secure antenna.
Sleeping bag liner that supposedly it goes with the sleeping bag itself. Keeps the sleeping bag from getting dirty. So this goes over your body first and then the sleeping bag. Yep. And then sleeping bag goes over this, but I feel pretty warm in the car already. This seems okay. Have a good night. Can you hear that? Just the sound of the river flowing. Surprisingly, it's not scary out here. It's really calm. 8:05, and boy, oh boy, I am cold. Super cold. 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -7 Celsius. I don't think it's that cold, but I'd rather have this than the sleeping bag liner that I'm in right now. Yeah. Just like a mummy. Or a caterpillar cocoon. Good night. Oh, forgot the other one. Good night. Good morning, peeps. Good morning. Oh, that was such a rough sleep. This indent right here on the seat that goes where your butt goes, it was super uncomfortable. Let's see how it looks like outside. Ooh. Oh yeah. As I was looking outside, I noticed a bunch of dots. And those are fishermen. Waking up early for the morning fish. Trying to catch up on sleep. But there are so many cars passing by. I guess I gotta get up. Surprisingly, it was dead quiet in the middle of the night. There were no cars until now. Alright, let's get going. Okay. Wow. Whoa. Pop out the stove. Oh, that feels so good. Let's make some soup. Home-style chicken noodle? Yes, please. Oh yeah. Oh no. I forgot I left my ladle in there. My chopsticks are in here as well? Oh my god. Whoa, fire. Wonder if it's doing that just because it's just so windy. That doesn't seem safe. I had to reposition the bottle, the canister, and the fire seems just about fine and stable now. Noticing that there's a bunch of wind, especially when the cars pop by. Let's get this sucker right over. Just like so. Okay, that looks pretty done to me. Yeah. Let's eat. That is delicious. It's cold outside right now too, so this is extra satisfying. What a mess. I need to package this setup better. Maybe some oil. Boom. Like so. I forget how heavy this is. Gotta spread that oil evenly. It's been about 10 minutes. It should be at least 50% done. It's not an oven. Yeah, I didn't get a lid for this, so it's not gonna cook it evenly. Bon appetit. It actually cooked decently. I love croissants just because of that flakiness. Right when you get it crisp, take a bite into it. Okay, let's take out these window covers. First, we gotta take down these seats that are starting to become a nuisance because they're not that easy to take down and put back up and Wow. To have a view like that outside your car window is just amazing. Put that up, put that up. There we go. See it up. All the way. Let's put the stuff in the back. One slot, two slot, boom. Oh, those are some messy wires. Okay, yeah, that seems okay. What a view. What a view. This video was mainly to show how it would be like to camp in this car. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There are more to come, especially with this new adventure car of mine. Till then, I'll see you guys again. Bye.